And we're back to Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to create an abstract light background. It's pretty easy to do as we can render it. First up, open your gradient menu and we'll use this rainbow default which is inbuilt, this one right here. Got a black background and let me create a new layer for this abstract light. It's important that it's transparent. And now we'll go to Filter, Render, Fractals, and there's a flame option. We'll select this one. First crank up the sample density fully and make sure that custom gradient is selected. So we've set that to rainbow. Then click on Edit. And here you can see basically preview on the variations. You can set them to a certain basic shape. And if you then click on one of these previews, variations will be created according to this drop-down selection. I'll keep it to same. You can click on randomize and adjust it, and you can play around with the speed. It's hard to explain what it does, but you can see what happens if I go up and down with it. Once you've got something that you like, we'll confirm. You can adjust brightness, contrast and gamma right here. Keep in mind, if you crank up the gamma, it's going to take a little bit more rendering time. The other ones right here, they don't do much anymore, so we can just keep them as they are. But camera is a little bit interesting because X and Y is for the position. And there's also a zoom. And here again, if you zoom in, for example, this far, it's going to take more rendering time. And if you go down, it's going to take less. So this is something to consider when you use a slow PC. I want to have something like this right here. So I confirm, and down here you can see it's rendering. I'm going to speed up this video now until we've got our results. And here it is. And we can still adjust it like any object in Gimp, so we can use colors, levels for example, or curves. And this is how you can create these abstract light backgrounds in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.